Hi guys, welcome back to Chai and Makeup. Today we will be doing a Catherine Zeta-Jones inspired look. She is this beautiful, beautiful lady who came in Zorro and a bunch of other movies in the 90s, and her makeup is just flawless. Like, she is beautiful. So we're going to do a makeup look inspired by her, and it's very neutral, so you can kind of wear it with any colors, with Western or Eastern clothes, so it just depends. And of course, as always, we have our chai, and now we'll get into the makeup. And I gotta fix my nail. Kids are napping again, so I'm trying not to talk too loud, when they're napping. Gotta keep sure, that nothing wakes them up. That's like our one little moment of peace. Come on. You know what I mean? Going with the professional, some things never change. Change isn't always a good thing or a bad thing, just depends. And I clearly can't let go of this, so that one's out, but we have more. There's a couple of products that I feel like I always come back to no matter where I venture, like literally for 10-15 years now. Like the professional I've been wearing since like 2010, 2011. So I think I might have to do a video on just like my over the years products. Then I'm gonna go in with this MAC Studio Fix, and I think I'm just gonna put that all over. I kind of want like a matte look. Should I put more primer? I don't think I want to. I'm going to use these Glow Recipe drops. I'm actually just going to mix it into the foundation. I did this back in the day. I don't know if this is good or not, but back in the day I would totally do this. And I don't know, it felt like my makeup looked better, but had better days. Oh my gosh, why is there always product in my hair? I don't know, I feel like ever since become a mom, I always have something in my hair, on my clothes, everywhere possible. It's there. We shouldn't have worn a sweatshirt, but oh well. I won't go crazy with the foundation, but I will put some concealer. So I'm going to use this Sephora 1 in 20 neutral. And I just put this here, 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 where I need more support. I'm going to take my MAC Soft Silker and kind of just use like a beauty sponge to kind of push that in. It is a shadow base, so I use it both as a shadow base and a concealer kind of thing. So it works for me. You do what you like. It kind of brightens my eyes because I have like a lot of dark circles right now. So, I mean, it kind of helps, I think. I don't know. Tell me if I'm delusional. After that, I am going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Yes, I was going to say contour, but contour bronzer is the color. And I think that would be a good base to set it with. It's NARS palette. It's pretty. I am excited to use it. I feel like my skin looks uneven right now and it's bothering me. So this is the palette. I think we have a few shades that we can kind of mess around with. And I'm going to go in with this one. And I'm going to take a different brush. And use a thinner brush actually. And just a little. Rub it out. And then I will take that same brush from before and just kind of blend it in. And then, of course, in this, the main start is the black liner. So we got to take her out and go in with her. And we're going to blend. And then I'm going to take this one again and push it into the lash line. Oops, whatever. And then I'm going to do the same with the very dark one, but use a different brush. You could use a black one too if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic. And then we're just going to blend it out like crazy. I'm going to use this lighter brown. I feel like her makeup is very similar to Monica Bellucci's makeup, but I mean, a little bit of difference, but very similar. Go in with Dusk from Glossier. This Dusk from Glossier. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay, it's okay. We'll figure it out. We will fix the mistake. We'll fix it. And just blend. Then I'm going to go in with my powder and set everything. Actually, I think I'm going to go change and then finish up the process. That might be a better idea. I'm going to do that. Be right back. Powder and kind of just put it wherever we need extra coverage. This is from Bite Beauty in the color medium 1. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. I don't know. I think I may have scratched myself, or I don't know. I don't know. I think this color is way too orange for me, and I didn't realize it. It's a little bit darker than I need it to be, and I feel like I look like an Oompa Loompa. Less like Catherine Zeta-Jones, more like an Oompa Loompa. God, I hate this. I think I can use that as a bronzer. Charlotte Tilbury, can you save the day? Rooting for you, girl. Wow. We're gonna go in with number 44 from YSL and try to salvage the day if we could. And now I'm just gonna do my mascara and the lips. Buttermilk blush. Like slightly on top. This is optional. I'm just gonna do it to make my eyes look a little. You don't have to though, honestly. Okay, I can't say I'm a fan of it. Not bad, but not great. And then we're gonna go in with Spice. We're gonna do Bohemian and then go in with Bittersweet from Honest Latte. Don't do that. Not feeling this color. And you can mix it with Bittersweet and see what happens. Setting spray. I'm gonna go in with this YSL number 5 Lip Stain, see if it does anything. I'm not loving color, or maybe I'm not used to this color. That's why I don't know. I think this is the final Catherine Zeta-Jones inspired look. She has a very matte look going, so we'll kind of just go with this. I think I'm gonna fix my eyebrows because I messed them up today. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you hate it, if you like it, don't care for it, that works too. And I will see you next time. Bye.